Alright, so what's poppin', everybody? It's your man, Chris Briggs, back again with another video. And as you guys already know, we are back again with another banger, you feel what I'm saying? Now, this video is going to be a dope video because for today's video, we have a dope little sneaker review. And today's sneaker review is going to be on the Air Jordan 5 Top 3, aka, let me fix the shoe, you know what I'm saying? It gotta look perfect. AKA the #1 sneaker of 2020. Now, before we get into this video, please go ahead and check out the socials. That means the Instagram and the Twitter is going to be at IMCHRISBRIGGS and at IMCHRISBRIGGS2. When it comes to this sneaker right here, bro, I picked this sneaker up pretty easily. I'm not even going to lie to you. I bought the sneaker online and I also picked the sneaker up in store. So that means that, yes, I do have a double up of this shoe. Yup. You're got me a double up right there, right here. Just let you know, I got me a double up. Honestly, bro, I'm in love with this sneaker. I think that this shoe is super dope. How easy it is to wear. It's super easy to wear and super easy to match with everything. The shoe is like mainly black, so it's going to be mainly like this all black type of synthetic nubuck. And I think that that's super cool. The nubuck is actually stretchy also. Looks aside, I'm going to get into the looks portion, but I just want to get into the actual comfort of the shoe. Because let's keep it real. This sneaker costs $200. It costs $200, so that's $214 with tax. Let's keep it real when it comes to the comfort, right? A lot of times you buy Jordans or you buy Yeezys and they don't fit or they're not that comfortable. You might only be able to wear them for like 30 minutes to an hour before like your toes start to, you know, start eating each other, you feel me? This has to be the most comfortable shoe, the most comfortable Jordan that I put on this year. If you guys don't know, I have pretty wide feet. And every year of high school, I broke my ankle, and playing rugby my senior year of high school, I broke my big toe on my left foot. So that means that every shoe that I have to put on, I have to either go true to size or a half a size. I have to be very like aware of the types of shoes that I'm putting on my feet. For me, trying to run a sneaker show, it's kind of hard for me to wear shoes a lot of the time. And somebody who's always on the go, somebody who's always on the move, who tries to switch it up, keep shoes on his feet, bro. I really love it when I find a pair of shoes that just suit me perfectly. Looking at this part right here, now, I want you to check this out. You see this right here? This toe box right here is super wide. So if you have wide feet, this sneaker is going to be extremely perfect for you. Also, the caging too, just, I don't know, it just gives you a bit more breathability on the shoe. And I'm not gonna lie, bro, I've worn Air Jordan 5s like in high school, but I haven't worn an Air Jordan 5 in a long time. I got the Fire Reds back there, but I haven't put those on my feet yet, except for on the on foot. These fit super comfortable. So I recommend that if you guys are trying to buy this sneaker, that you go true to size. On your first wear, like, you see the way this shoe is laced up? That's how I like to lace all of my shoes. I like to lace them all up like this because I'm always on the go. I'm always on the move. So since I'm always on the move, I want my sneakers to not be flopping around or be too loose. I want them to be locked in for lockdown so I could go ahead, get my work done, get my grind done, and take these shoes with me so that I can eventually live by the water. You feel me? Because that is the goal. Now, getting into the sneaker right here, as you guys can see, the Air Jordan 5 Top 3. Now, like I said, the whole shoe is going to be in this all black synthetic nubuck. Now, the shoe is called Top 3 because it takes technically the top 3 Air Jordan 5 sneakers and they smash them together and create this whole cluster of a sneaker, you feel me? Looking at this all black right here, the all black is going to be from the metallic Air Jordan 5. Looking at the midsole, you see how you see that red of the midsole? This midsole is from the Air Jordan 5 Fire Red. But that silver on the flames right here is going to be from the Air Jordan 5 metallic also. The big thing about this shoe that threw everybody off, was the tongue. The tongue is going to be from the Air Jordan 5 Grape. And also, we have a beautiful Nike Air on the back, which is also going to be paired with that 23 right there, which is stitched in. Looking at the normal Air Jordan 5 Fire Red, the Air Jordan 5 Fire Red does not have the 23 on that also. But one thing that I do want to let you guys know is that I don't believe that this is the Fire Red that was used for the top 3. There's 2 different Fire Reds. Now, there is a Fire Red with the black midsole, and there is also a Fire Red with like the all red midsole too. When it comes to all the releases that have been coming out in 2020, out of all the shoes that I've been picking up, this is the sneaker that I was really honestly the most excited about. I just thought that the way that they just put the sneaker together was just immaculate. Looking right here, that red portion, like I said, is from the fire red, and then you also have that icy bottom. But if you look closely in the icy bottom, you see that grape logoing of the Jumpman and that teal. That is super cool. Also, like I said, the sneaker like this is just something that you can't go wrong with. This sneaker was one of the biggest sleepers of 2020, but I guarantee you that once this shoe sells out, everybody's going to wish that they had their pair of these. And I doubled up, because this might be one of my favorite shoes in my collection. But for today's sneaker review, I had to give it to the Air Jordan 5 top 3. Definitely love these shoes, bro. Can't wait to wear them some more. But when it comes to the video, how did you guys like it? Did you guys think that it was dope or trash? Let me know in the comment section down below. I got more videos coming soon, more bangers coming soon, and all I have to say is, hey, blessings, blessings, blessings. Thank y'all for watching as always, and enjoy that on-foot review. Enjoy it, bro. And Chris Briggs signing out.
You a copier, yeah, you like the copy shit. Oh, you a copier, yeah, you like the copy shit. Oh, you a copier, yeah, you like the copy shit. You wasn't even on the style until your Cardi party shit.
Chris Briggs.